from Lips. We're opening for Motorhead. It was quite the fucking night. And in fact, we did 2 shows that night in one fucking night. It was incredible. Lemmy's standing side stage, just staring at me. I come off, I go, Lemmy, what'd you think? Like a fuck, I can't imagine what he's gonna say. He goes, hey, you guys are pretty fucking good, but you've got too many fucking hard parts. And I wasn't sure whether he was talking about what's in my pants or in my music. I guess he was talking about what was in my music, because 2 years later in 1983, we went and we toured all over the UK with them, and it was a fucking incredible experience. And we had a night off in Birmingham, and I thought, this is perfect. I'm gonna go get to know Lemmy. I'm gonna go hang out with him and party. So I make my way up to his hotel room, and he's got this bottle of fucking vodka, 40 fucking ounces, and a 60-ounce bottle of fucking orange juice, and he starts mixing it, and he goes, this is called vodka. Well, we commenced drinking the vodka, and before very long, I'm like, Lips, you're looking a little under the table. Under the table? I could barely hold on to the fucking table, man. He goes, I've got just the solution. And he pulls this little leather black pouch out of his jean jacket and a fucking little pocket knife, sticks the pocket knife into the pouch, and out comes this white powder. He sticks it under my nose and he goes, sniff it, you cunt. When with Lemmy, you do his Lemmy, and I go, oh, yeah. I just start fucking speeding like a fucking rocket ship, man. Knock, knock, knock at the door. It's the tour manager. He goes, okay, guys, time to go to the gig. Time to go to the gig? We have a night off. What do you mean, time to go to the gig? He goes, you guys have been sitting here for 24 fucking hours. Now that's a party with Lemmy, man, yeah. Here's a song we call Free as the Wind. getting good and warmed up, man. Are you getting warmed up? Yeah! All right.